Hey guys, it's Ed and Megan and Happen, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's part 2 to my Friendsgiving in Thailand 2020. If you didn't watch part 1 where I gave a house tour of where we had Friendsgiving, I'll leave a link above right here, and I'll also link the video in the comments below. Please take the time to go watch that video if you didn't watch it already. Now, before I get started, as always, if you like what you see, make sure you click that like button. If you want to keep seeing more videos, make sure you click that subscribe button and leave a comment at the end of this video letting me know what you think. All right, enjoy. Click that button, subscribe, and make it happen.
You are a liar. You told us we can't come at the same time.
I didn't say that.
You did.
I didn't say you couldn't come. I suggested because we both enjoy taking video.
No,
I'm not in your way and you're not in my way.
No.
What does it say?
Yeah, but that was this week. It's like, hold on.
No. First of all, you can't go back to last week.
That's what we're on about.
But I told you recently.
No.
I said I'm getting there at 3. You can come a little after.
You were late.
You can come a little
You were
after.
late. Can we please appreciate the fact you were
First
late?
of all,
Can we appreciate the fact you were late?
now they're trying to bring it to another argument.
If you were late.
I feel like
I need
you
evidence. What is the evidence?
The other day.
Evidence.
Vlogmas is a stupid group chat.
Don't. It's okay, guys. It's over. Let's not fight. Let's be friends.
No.
You think it's over?
No,
It's not over till I can go back to 2019.
When you walk in, your room is to the left.
Now, sorry, the 11th of November at 10:23. Get your hands off that phone. Now, read it.
Drag her.
Search video.
3 around me.
You guys can come after.
No, I can't have y'all. So come after that.
Come after.
Yeah.
We weren't like coming at the same time as you.
I can't have y'all walking in the video unless you want to hold the camera.
We weren't going to be here.
It just says come after. It doesn't say what time.
We weren't like, can't have y'all walking around in the video unless you want to hold the camera. Come after. After.
They could have came at 3:15, y'all.
Oh, don't you go there.
And even if they came, Hi, Gemma's here. Look at this. She looks so beautiful.
All right, so the food has arrived, and we ordered this food from a taco spot called Sunrise Tacos. So if you're in Bangkok and you want some good tacos, or if you happen to be around there during Thanksgiving time next year, definitely hit them up. It's called Sunrise Taco, and for a pretty decent price, we were able to get a whole turkey, tubs of mashed potatoes, tubs of vegetables, tubs of gravy. We got pie and salad from there, and I think that's a pretty good deal. Like, we look at that turkey. It's a pretty good deal for what we paid for. I wish I could remember exactly how much. If I do, I'll definitely put it in the description. But yeah, we all got dressed. Look at how cute we are. Shake it up, Benny. Shake it up. Yum. And we're setting the table up, getting ready to eat, and we're just all excited to be here together. Victoria, she's in the black right there with the curly hair. She and I are the only Americans at the table, so we put this together because we really wanted to celebrate Thanksgiving. We were both feeling really homesick. We were sad we couldn't be home with our family, so we got our friends together to enjoy a meal together, and it was just super special. I'm standing there right now telling everyone what I'm thankful for, and then we went around the table. Everyone took a turn. We have friends from Ireland there, some friends from South Africa and Brazil. And actually, my bad, there are 2 other people at the table who, one other person at the table who is also an American, but I just met her that day. Sorry. But yeah, so we ate and we talked, and it was great. And I don't know if you're somebody who's traveling abroad or thinking about traveling abroad. there's definitely ways to make friends abroad so that you can celebrate the things that you want to celebrate, or, you know, even if you're not celebrating, you can get together with these people and find things to do. Like, for a majority of us, this wasn't our first time hanging out. We built this friendship, which is why we were able to do this event. Here's the pie. It looks amazing. And it was really good, as you can see. Pecan pie is my favorite, so I had to jump on that. And I actually got the pecan pie from another establishment. I'll link it below. And last but not least, here we are with the wishbone. Our friends from Ireland told us we had to try and break it with our pinkies, so that's what we did. I won! And I made a wish. I cannot tell you what I wished for, but I know it was for something good or for some shmoney. You know, I'm always down for that. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know what you thought about the food. And if you're somebody that lives abroad, let me know, how do you celebrate traditional holidays when you're not home? Yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed. Later, guys.